I'm so excited because today I get to show y'all KVD Vegan Beauty's brand new Go Big or Go Home lashes. These lashes are 100% cruelty-free and vegan, but they look and feel like real hair. They also come with a vegan latex-free glue sample. They're made with flexible bands with rounded edges for an ultra-comfortable fit that eliminates poking. They're also reusable. Now I'm going to take the Dramatic lashes just to show you how easy it is to apply them. Take the vegan lash glue and then let it sit there for a few seconds. Once your glue is transparent, then your lash is ready to apply. So take your lash and lay it right on top of your lash line and adjust the corners, and then that's it. Same thing with the other eye. You're done. So easy. So hopefully this tutorial was helpful for you. I hope you try these lashes out because they are a must, and I'll see you next time.